Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the left speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Important! Make careful note of the routing of the left speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the left speaker cable from the routing channel on the fan. Remove the three 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the left speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Connect the left speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Route the left speaker cable through the routing channel on the fan. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.